We'll guide you through how to make and use a brush in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, we need to go and craft it. To go and make it, first of all, you need a stick, then you need a copper ingot, and then you need a feather. And there we go, you've then got a brush. Now what we need to do is go and find either suspicious sand or suspicious gravel. You can find suspicious gravel in cold ocean ruins. So for example, to go and find it in a desert temple, you need to look around until you go and start seeing where the floor is made out of sand. And actually here, we've gone and got some suspicious sand. So then all you need to do is grab your brush and start to right click on it and just hold that down like so. As you can see, it's starting to find something and you keep going, and just like that, we've gone and got gunpowder. That isn't the best loot you can get, but you want to start digging around this area because around here is going to be a buried room. And here we are, here's more suspicious sand, and you can then go and hold your right click on it, and as you can see, with this time, it looks like we found a diamond, and it'll then go and drop out. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then leave a like.